In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Now, in order for us to get this done, I have this one right here, and let's just go ahead and try to take a look at the members down here. There you go. Now, in order for us to get this done, it is very important for us to know that as of the moment, WhatsApp really doesn't have any direct feature that is capable of doing this one. So in order for us to get this done, what we are going to do is do it manually. For example, here I have this particular member. I can just head over and remove this particular member in this particular group. So the name of the group is new group. Now, if I were to head over back, now I'm going to go ahead and basically locate that particular group where I want to add this member to. So say for example here it's called group sample. I can just go ahead and click add members here and then basically locate that same member just like so. Click this one right here and then basically add it. As of the moment, that's the only way in order for you to get this done. Now, say for example, there are a lot of members that you are going to transfer to a new group. That's actually going to be a lot easier. Now, go ahead and click add members here and basically you can go ahead and multiple select. Again, just make sure that they have their own WhatsApp account. Otherwise, you won't be able to add them in your group. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.